In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a part of the drawing in AutoCAD. If you've ever needed to share just a specific detail from a larger file, this workflow will save you time and paper while keeping your output neat and readable. Start by opening the plot dialog. You can do this in two easy ways. Type plot on your keyboard and press enter, or click the plot print icon in your toolbar. Both options open the same dialog box where you'll control everything about your print. Next, choose the printer or plotter you want to use. In the Printer Plotter section, pick your device from the list. If you're creating a digital file instead of sending it to a physical device, you can select a PDF plotter so your output saves as a PDF. The choice here determines where the print goes, but the rest of the setup stays the same. Now tell AutoCAD exactly which part of the drawing you want to print. Under Plot Area, change the setting to Window, then click the Window button. AutoCAD will bring you back to your drawing so you can define the region. Click once to set the first corner of the area, and click again to set the opposite corner, making a clean rectangular selection. Take a moment to zoom in if needed and use your object snaps for accuracy so important geometry isn't cut off. When you're done, you'll return to the plot dialog with that window locked in. Let's set the scale. If you simply want that window to fill the page, choose Fit to Paper. AutoCAD will scale it automatically to maximize the printable area. If you need a precise scale, like for a submittal or a measured print, select a custom scale instead. Make sure the scale matches your drawing units and target ratio, and keep in mind that using a custom scale is best when you need consistent, measurable output across multiple prints. Before committing to anything, preview the result. Click Preview to see exactly how the print will look. This is where you can confirm that your window captures the right area, that nothing is clipped, and that the scale feels appropriate. Pay attention to line weights and overall clarity. If something looks off, close the preview to return to the dialog and make adjustments to the window or scale, then preview again. And that's it. With your printer selected, your window defined, and your scale set, you're ready to produce a clean print of just the part of the drawing you need.